Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to easily and quickly curve text in Photoshop. Start by selecting the Type tool from the toolbar. Click on your canvas and type out your text. With your text layer selected, go up to the top menu and find the Warp Text button. Click on it to open the Warp Text options. Here, you can choose various styles to warp your text. Select the arc style to curve your text into an arc shape. You'll see a slider that lets you adjust the bend of the text. Move this slider to increase or decrease the curvature until you achieve the desired effect. You also have settings for horizontal distortion and vertical distortion. Horizontal distortion skews the text horizontally, either stretching or compressing it left or right to create a perspective effect. Vertical distortion skews the text vertically, allowing you to stretch or compress it up or down, adding a sense of height or depth. And that's it! You've learned how to curve text in Photoshop. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.